I'm here with Mercia Silva, who is the Executive Coordinator of InPacto, and that's the entity responsible for the National Pact to eradicate slavery in Brazil. Mercia, thanks for speaking to us, and could you perhaps just describe the work of your organisation?
Thank you for this interview. My organization has the task to involve the private sector, big companies or small companies, to do their work to avoid slavery, to make prevention actions, and to promote decent work. And we have many tools and strategy and methodologies that they can follow. We put them together to talk and to understand their challenges and to propose some solutions. And they became part of the InPacto, and they assumed 10 compromises to use the dirt list, to promote the dirt list, to promote decent work, and promote also a piece of communications inside or outside for to say what they are doing about slavery.
You've mentioned the dirty list there. Could you just explain what the dirty list is and how it works?
The dirty list is a federal tool. So the Minister of Labor, they developed it from since 2005 many mechanisms to prevent and stop slavery exploitation in Brazil. One of them is they make inspections, and when they discover some slavery during these inspections, this company has like two space to defend themselves. If after it's two chance to show different results, to show proofs that they are not doing slavery,
okay.
If they still be convicted to be slavery, the name of the companies and their ID goes to a dirty list, a public list.
That's like a national register of companies that have been found to have slavery in their supply chains.
Exactly. So these lists are public on the website of the minister. That was published on the website, so everyone, and especially all the companies, could check this list to see if they are going to do business or not with these companies, so they can make an evaluation of the risk. So this list is very important to make this distinction, so companies can choose, do not work with some companies or buy staff or buy service with this company if they are on the dirt list. But now the list was suspended by an injunction put it from the Civil Constructions Association, because one of the main members, the main big companies that are doing these new buildings in houses, they are using slavery. So their name is on the list.
Okay.
Because of that, they just make an injunction and the list is suspended.
So the companies didn't like it and have now lobbied for the withdrawal of the list. And what's the latest situation? Is it likely that the list can be reinstated? Are you working towards that, or is that it now for the dirty list in Brazil?
We have creative ways to do stuff in Brazil. We have another law, the transparency law. So as an NGO, any citizen in Brazil could ask from this new law we call LAI, L-A-I, because there is free access to public information, especially from the administrative actions. So as InPacto, we ask the government to send to us a list of who is catching and slavery from time and to time. So we have a kind of a mirror list. Looks like the dirty list, we call it transparency list.
So you have your own list now?
Yeah, we create one list, and we decide to do that because the companies that work in InPacto, they need a unique reference, because each one could ask for their own information. If they ask in different way, they have a different information. So if I ask for 2 months, my list will be shorter. If I ask for 2 years of results of inspections, my list will be bigger.
Okay.
So InPacto make one request, and every of our association, even some companies that is not with us, is using this common reference from the list to deal their jobs, to deal their to do their complaining and due diligence and compliance policies.
Okay, so although the official list no longer exists, you're operating your own version of it that companies and activists are able to use and access so that they can gain accurate information on the efforts that companies are making to prevent slavery in Brazil.
Your English much better than mine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's that.
That's exactly it. Mercia, thank you very much for sharing that with us, and we wish you lots of luck with your efforts. Thank you very much.
Thank you for you.